Welcome back students. In this class of mathematics 7th class NCERT chapter 1 integers part 1 exercise 1.4. I'll continue question 3 problem F because there was a correction in this previous class, so I'll repeat once again. 48 is equal to minus 1. So assume blank is equal to blank space is equal to y integer. Means consider the blank space as y integer. Now this becomes y divided by 48 is equal to minus 1. Now you can write like this, means answer you have to get minus 1. So how to get minus 1? So take y as, therefore y is equal to minus 1 into 48. How much you will get? 48. So now for substitute, you can write a substitute y is equal to minus 48 in the above equation. So y divided by 48 is equal to minus 1. So 48 substitute minus 48 in place of y divided by 48 is equal to minus 1. So this is the solution. See, that is minus 48 divided by 48 equal to minus 1. This is the correct solution of the F problem. So now we have G. Question 3G. 20 divided by dash is equal to minus 2. Divided by dash is equal to minus 2. So same thing, assume blank space is equal to y integer. Now 20 divided by blank space y is equal to minus 2. So y will take answer as minus 2. So 20 divided by, then we'll take it as 10. Yeah, 10 means 2 ones are 2. So minus 10 we'll take. Okay, we'll get it as minus 2. Therefore, take y is equal to 20 divided by minus 10 is equal to minus 2. That is y is equal to 20 divided by minus 10 is equal to minus 2. Then substitute y is equal to minus 2 in the see here once again. See, 20 divided by 2, that is not 10. 20 divided by minus 2. 2 ones are 10. Then y will become over minus 10, not 2. So this is 10 here. Then what I made a mistake here also. Yeah, 20. Then this one is 2. Correct? Minus 2 is equal to minus 10. Therefore 20 divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 10 is the answer. See why we have to take, substitute y is equal to minus 10 in the above equation. Quite confusing, so no worries, it's okay. So 20 divided by dash is equal to minus 2. So 20, that is y is that 20 divided by 10, that is minus 10 is equal to minus 2. See, 20 divided by minus 10 is equal to minus 2. This is the solution. So we'll continue with the next problem. That is H is there. Question 3. H is dash dash divided by 4 is equal to minus 3. So what is the answer? I can write it as minus 12 by 4 equal to minus 3. So now substitute, assume blank space is equal to y integer. So y integer means y divided by 4 is equal to minus 3. Therefore, how we'll get? Therefore, x is equal to, or y is equal to, you can write like this: 4 into minus 3 into 4 is equal to minus 12. So just we are interchanging like this, that's all. Now substitute y is equal to minus 12 in the above equation. So y is equal to, what is this? Y divided by 4 is equal to minus 3 is the answer. So y is minus 12 divided by 4 is equal to minus 3. That is minus 12 divided by 4 is equal to minus 3 is the answer. This is the solution. Just interchange and writing the equation, but quite confusing. Now we move to the question 4. Question 3 completed. Question 4. Write 5 pairs of integers. 5 pairs of integer a, b such that a divided b is equal to minus 3. So they have given one example, that is equal to one such pair is 6, 12. That is 6 divided by 6 and 2 minus 2. 6 divided by minus 2 is equal to how much? Minus 3. Like this. Write a 5 pair of integers a, b, c such that a divided b is equal to minus 3. Like this. A divided by b is equal to minus 3. They have given an example, that is 6 and minus 2. 1s are 2, 3s are, then answer is minus 3. Like this we have to write a 5 pairs. So we will start writing 5 pairs. So we'll take like this the given equation, that is question 4, continuing, that is a divided b is equal to minus 3. I'll write the first pair. We'll take like this: the 9 and 3 minus 3. Therefore, write in this form as 9 divided by minus 3. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So minus 3 is the first pair. Now second one, I have taken 12 and minus 4. Same thing, 12 divided by minus 4. 4 ones are 4 threes are, become minus 3. This thing is the we have to write these pairs. Then third one, I have taken minus 27, 9. Whichever number you have to take one minus, because the answer is minus. Minus 27 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9 threes are is equal to minus 3. So now we'll take fourth one. Fourth, there was 25 pair. Taken minus 33 by 11. Minus 33 and 11. So minus 33 divided by 11. 11 ones are 11 threes are. So minus 3. Then last fifth one. Fifth one is minus 45 and 15. Therefore, minus 45 by 15. 15 ones are 15 threes is equal to minus 3. So we'll see the how many ever you can write. Even we can write like this. Sixth pair means like for 2 multiples of 2, you can take it as they are given in the question already, or they have given 2 and minus 6, I think 6, or minus 6 and 2 you can take. Minus 6 and 2, it is there in the example, I think. No, minus 2 and 6 is there. I can interchange and write like this. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So it will also be minus 3. Again, if you take one more pair means 5 means minus 15, another one. Minus 15 and 5. 5 ones, 5 3. So minus 15 by 5. 5 ones are 5 threes are. One more we can write it as 6 7. 7 also we can write. So I'll write minus, not like minus, I'll take minus 7 24. 7 7 into 3, yeah, 7 3s are 21, yeah, 21 minus 7 we can take. So minus 7, sorry, 21 my 21 by minus 7. 7 ones are, sorry, so 21 minus 3. So this one we finish, then we'll type 9th one, we'll try. For 9 I've already written. 8 there is how much? 24, yeah, 24, like this. 24 by minus 8, so minus 3. Now 10 also will take, last one will write. 10 means 10 how much? 30. I'll take here minus. So every time you have to take either as minus or bs. 30 by 10 minus 10 cancel. 3 1 10 ones are 10 3s. So these are the few pairs we can write in the form of AB. A divided B is equal to minus 3. If you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.